Hey everybody, this is Taylor with GameEdge coming at you with a quick market status for July 5th. General disclaimer page, please give this a read. When you're ready, let's move on. Here, so we have our tick US model starting out. You could see last week persistent new lows over new highs, overall bearish. Early last week, we saw some pretty heavy selling, chopped around middle of the week to end of the week. We saw a little bit of buying into the close. Long-term perspective, our moving average rhythm is bearish as the cyan long-term average is vastly above the shortest term moving average. One bullish sign we do have is our shortest term signal here, which is the cumulative tick crossing above the shortest term moving average ribbon. That did occur into the afternoon on Friday, so we may see a bit of a short-term rally. However, again, this is very short-term in nature, so best for people that are bolted to the chair because this can roll over very quickly. Here we have our tick ARCX model again, highlighting short-term signal did trigger on Friday, so we may see a bit of an uplift, but it's important to watch for continuation. Okay, so here we have our Gamma Dashes, just a little bit of a different view from what I normally do. These are bots within the Discord server. Overall, you can see we're in a very cumulative negative Gamma environment. Down here, looking at our key liquidity zones, 370, 380. These are major levels, haven't changed for the last couple weeks. We have 0 GEX above here at 385, above this level. Slightly more bullish, maybe some upside, but again, 380, 370, these are the key levels. Kind of hitting on from Gamma last slide. This slide is price. You can see these levels line up pretty good. We have 380 here. This is the key level. Again, a lot of price interaction to the upside. 390 to the downside above 380. Now we're looking at 370. Again, this is a daily chart. We post this every day, just kind of a zoomed out perspective. Again, to the upside above 385, more bullish towards 410. As long as we're below 385, path of least resistance is lower down to 360. All right, so here we're just rapid firing through the industry ETFs real quick. Here we have the cumulative chart. Here we have the price chart with key gamma levels overlaid. Big thing that you'll see is for the majority of these, we have a cumulative negative GEX environment, which is not favorable really for trades alongside. This corresponds with the charts that we just went over, particularly the cumulative tick charts. Here's XLK. Overall bearish. XLY again, overall bearish. XLI, overall bearish. So again, as you can see, the majority of these are overall bearish. The two that I did want to hit on is XLU. This is cumulative positive GEX. However, you can see that price is above plus GEX. So unless we see this plus GEX move up ahead of price, don't see a lot of reasons for this to continue higher. XLV again, this is another one. Pretty good outsides of cumulative positive GEX over cumulative negative GEX. And unlike XLU, we do have some roadway higher with plus GEX at 135. We're right at the positive trans of 130, so this is a great kind of entry point. This is definitely one to keep on the radar for next week if cumulative tick does cooperate to the upside. Again, XLP, cumulative negative GEX, real estate negative. Lastly, these are for liquidity stocks that are cumulative positive GEX. BABA up here, really nothing as it keeps bumping up against plus GEX. Consistent theme from last week. Here we have Boeing. You can see it found price support right around its 0 GEX positive trans. Move would be up to 150. We have Microsoft here, similar to Boeing, hanging right around 0 GEX. Target would be 280 the upside. And Tesla, it's hanging out right below 0 GEX. If we can move through 0 GEX, could see a move up to positive trans and then 0 GEX, plus GEX. Hope you guys enjoyed that on this 4th of July. Found value out of it. Consider giving us a view on our website. 2 free week trial we offer there on our Discord server. All the tools turn on for you guys, and we have a community of great traders we'll build in there, so we would love to have one more. Again, we got our Twitter handle down here, and you guys found us on YouTube. So Yeah, appreciate the time and best of luck next week. Talk to you tomorrow.